Dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are happy. So let's start today our computer subject, and on page number 2, lesson number 1, we are going to continue. So first we are going to start about software. So what is a software? Software is that you can't touch. From the word soft means you cannot touch that. Okay. So here is our part of the computer software. So software is hardware cannot work on its own. It needs instruction to work. These instructions are in the form of programs. These programs are called software. Okay. So software, without software you cannot do any work, and it needs instruction to do any work, and it is a form of program known as software. So software is a set of instructions that tells a computer how to perform a specific task. Different types of software are used in different types of work. There are two types of software. First one, system software, and next is application software. Now what is system software? System software manages and control hardware, while application software performs a specific task. Okay. Now different applications of computer. What are the different applications of the computer? Computer are being used almost everywhere in our day-to-day life. Some areas where they are widely used are listed below. So now we are going to see where computer has been used and still it is using by the people. Okay. So first of all, home. So at home also we use computer for the different purpose, for playing games, listen music, we watch movies, we type letter, we also store address, phone numbers, and drawing, painting also we can do. And next one is we can make cards, we can plan our budget, annual budget also, or monthly budget also. It depends upon us. And sometimes you can save your project work also by doing project, and you can also make out what is the time of you can also make the ticket from the using internet with the help of computer. So e-tickets means electronic ticket also you can purchase online. And in school also different purpose, for different purpose computers are used. So computer is used in school by teachers, students, and non-teaching staff members. Non-teaching staff members means they are not teaching student, but still they do school work, so they are using computer. Teacher use computers to teach different subject. Okay. They use them for preparing lessons, report cards, and timetable, test paper, circulars, account details, and many other things are maintained with the help of computer. Okay. So next one is, this is done, second point is done by the non-teaching staff. Okay. And now by the students use computer for preparing project, learning different subjects, and playing educational CD-ROMs. Students also use them for activity like playing games, giving online exams. And nowadays online education is done primarily through the use of computers and the internet. Number 4, we are going to see for medical purpose computer are used. So how they use? Computers are widely used in medical field. They have become essential tools in managing different functions in hospital, nursing home, or lab. Some of the use of computers in medical field are listed below. So computers are used to maintain, first of all, medical records and treatment daily of patients. Many operations are prepared with the help of computers, and a lot of research work in the medical field is done with the help of computer. They are used to find cure for various diseases also. During medical tests and checkups, specific human body parts are examined. A test can be as simple as regular blood test, or it can be as complex as CT scan or ultrasound. They all are done with the help of computer. And now in the film and television. So nowadays it is used vast in the field of film and televisions also, because computers are commonly used in the field of entertainment whether it is a film, television, or any other multimedia program. While making features film, cartoon films, or any animation film, computers are of great help. Specific effects are added in movies with the help of computers. And computers help to create characters and scenes of blood, fire, and storms, sound, movement, and expressions are given as cartoon character with the help of computers. For example, one box is given, you can know more also. Film like Jurassic Park, My Friend Ganesha, Spider-Man, Batman are made with the help of computers. And in bank also. So in the bank it is used to operate ATM and provide internet banking facilities, keep records of account holders, include details of money deposit or withdrawn from any account. So to maintain account of the holders, and also the bank person also maintain the details about the money deposit or withdrawn from any account. So lot of work can be done with the help of computer in the bank, in the film, television field, medical purpose, in school, in office. Okay, so in offices and libraries, and in science and technologies. So in office, in library, and science and technologies we will continue in the next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.